One thing that's very nice on the Cat Next Gen Dozers is ground level serviceability that you see here on the D3. Simply just walk over, new engine enclosure located on the right-hand side of the machine versus the left-hand side. Easy access to our engine oil dipstick right here that we can check very easily from ground level. Also, we can view right up in the top of the hood the coolant level of the engine coolant. And also, if we need to be doing an engine service, we can replace the engine oil filter by removing that cover. The engine oil filter is located here, and then to add our additional oil during the change, this is our fill point right here. The air cleaner is located right above. We simply just flip up the yellow tab that you see there, pull the filter out. And also we have the optional engine heater block right here where you would plug in your electrical power source for that. All this work can be done very easily from ground level, which makes it very nice for an operator beginning his day, checking those daily maintenance points. For more information, contact your local Cat dealer.